You might think, oh, I like singing, but why are we doing so much moving during Pomelody activities? Melodies are expressed through our voices, while rhythm is mainly expressed through our body's movements. Before children can analyze rhythm or hear it in their heads, they must experience it in their bodies. You can easily support that learning process through your movements and dance. By making your movements clear and purposeful, you help them to see the beat. However, don't worry about dancing beautifully or knowing the right steps, because it's just about helping your child feel the beat. You can provide your child with beat feedback if you tap the rhythm out on their backs. This helps your child to feel the beat. You can also provide a kinesthetic experience for your child by holding them, then bouncing or swinging your child along with the beat. Did you know dancing has been proven to improve both your child's and your balance, coordination, agility, and flexibility? Through movement and dancing, children are able to pay more attention to others sharing their space. They also develop a sense of spatial awareness. Remember, have fun singing and dancing with your child every day. The most important thing you will give your child is a love of music.